Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to these online lectures. So, we are in the second unit of the paper Environmental Education, Greenhouse Effect and Ozone Layer Depletion. So, coming to the greenhouse effect, the greenhouse effect is caused by the gases present in the atmosphere. The energy from the sun passes through the atmosphere, reaching the Earth's surface. Part of the energy is absorbed by the Earth, while the rest is reflected back. There has been a lot of concern in recent years over the emission of other greenhouse gases such as methane, nitrous oxide, and the chlorofluorocarbons. Furthermore, there has been an increase in the concentration of CO2, all due to human activity. Coming to the history of the greenhouse effect, Svante Arrhenius, who was a Swedish scientist, was the first to claim in 1896 that fossil fuel combustion may eventually result in enhanced global warming. He proposed the relation between atmospheric carbon dioxide concentrations and temperature. The natural greenhouse effect is the rise in temperature that the Earth experiences because certain gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, ozone, methane, etc. Sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, passing through the greenhouse gases. As it reaches the Earth's surface, land, water, and biosphere absorb the sunlight's energy. Even a little warming may cause problems for humans, plants, and animals. The enhanced greenhouse effect. Some human activities also produce greenhouse gases, and these gases keep increasing in the atmosphere. The change in the balance of the greenhouse gases has significant effect on the entire planet. Burning of the fossil fuels, coal, oil and natural gas releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Cutting down and burning trees also produce a lot of carbon dioxide. A group of greenhouse gases called the chlorofluorocarbons have been used in aerosols such as hair spray cans, refrigerators, and in making foam plastics. Greenhouse gases. Many greenhouse gases occur naturally in the environment, such as vapor, that is water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Other gases such as hydrofluorocarbons (HFCs) and perfluorocarbons (PFCs) and sulfur hexafluoride (SF6) are created and emitted solely through human activities. Human activities also add significantly to the level of naturally occurring greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide (CO2), nitrous oxide (N2O), methane (CH4), fluorinated gases are expected to rise in the future. Our everyday choices about such things as commuting, housing, electricity use, and recycling can influence the amount of greenhouse gases being emitted. And coming to the ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion is one of the most serious problems faced by our planet Earth. It is also one of the prime reasons which are leading to global warming. As we all know, ozone is a colorless gas which is found in the stratosphere of our upper atmosphere. The layer of ozone gas is what which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. The ozone layer absorbs these harmful radiations and thus prevents these rays from entering the Earth's atmosphere. Ultraviolet radiations are high energy electromagnetic waves emitted by the sun, which, if Earth's atmosphere, can lead to various environmental issues, including global warming, and also a number of health-related issues for all living organisms. From the 1970s, the depletion of ozone layer started to capture the attention of the scientists, environmentalists, and the world community at large. Let us see the cause and effect of the depletion of the ozone layer. Causes of ozone layer depletion. The main things that lead to destruction of the ozone gas in the ozone layer: low temperatures, increase in the level of chlorine and bromine gases in the upper stratosphere are some of the reasons that lead to ozone layer depletion. But the one And the most important reason for ozone layer depletion is the production and emission of chlorofluorocarbons. This is which leads to almost 80% of the total ozone layer depletion. And coming to the effects of the ozone layer depletion, the entering of ultraviolet rays will associate with a number of health related and environmental issues such as skin cancer, eye damage, damage to the immune system, aging of skin, and it will affect the other life forms too. And even these ultraviolet rays will have an adverse effect on the marine ecosystem. Ultraviolet rays will also affect the plants, and people should be aware of various ways to bring down the ozone layer depletion. We must be aware, and we can do is spreading the individual awareness about the use of hazardous gases in the environment. Hence, we can protect our ozone layer. Thank you.